Hello, welcome to another vlog. We are going to Vietnam. We're flying to Singapore first though for a quick 7-hour layover. Yes, I am crying on the plane because of this Korean drama we're watching. Literally so embarrassing. I had to ask for tissues. But anyways. So we're currently in Singapore. We're going 7-Eleven run. Just wanted to recap our flight experience. Turbulence was crazy. While we were sleeping, the plane just kept shaking like that.
We were just holding hands.
Yeah, pretty much. We didn't say anything to each other, like didn't talk about it at all. But it was fine. I just mostly felt bad for the stewardesses. I feel like they had to do a lot while having to go through really the shakiness. We watched Tangerine, so I cried a lot. I was scared my eyes were gonna get really puffy. Eggs and bread. Oh, Sintan. The sun's now up and we were only like, what, 2 minutes in there?
I'm watching the whip track.
Really?
Do you like that?
Is it a latte?
Yeah. It's like a very Southeast Asian instant coffee.
We're in Hanoi.
Hanoi.
We've just checked in, dropped our luggage, and we're now gonna go around looking for food. So we're gonna head around Old Corner, see what's there. We'll probably just share things so that we can make the most out of it. It's good. Guys, first buy of the day. We got egg and coconut coffee, and it's actually really good. It took bloody long to come out though, but
Very good.
egg coffee is 50k and coconut coffee is 60k. After this, we're gonna go out and look for food. We've got a few places we want to try. Our next stop, so we didn't get very far before going into another cafe. I got a banana caramel croissant. Gio got a black coffee. It tastes like the Japan agesan cream bread thing. Because it is so hot, the moment you step out you just feel so drained.
We haven't like got proper coffee sleep since what, 40 hours ago?
We're gonna rest for a little bit and then meet our friends. Hello, we are back, well rested, and we're gonna get dinner. We're gonna meet Brendan and Isabel, and we're gonna try a pho place. Nighttime is so much cooler than in the morning, and I'm really glad because I was a bit worried. I was like, ooh, did we just shoot ourselves in the foot by suggesting a soup place in super hot weather? It's less crowded and congested walking around on the streets at night. Somehow there are less cars, less motorcycles. That's our dinner spot. Good morning. Our breakfast, we've got chicken noodle soup, I've got fried rice and a bunch of other stuff like spring rolls and veggies. What'd you get? Bread and jam.
This is bread and jam.
Oh, our omelette.
Coffee, omelette, chicken noodle soup, and this is a huge thing.
Our first stop is the train station because we didn't get to do that yesterday. Hopefully it's not too crowded. We're hoping to catch the 11 a.m. or 11:30 spot. We're gonna find a nice cafe to chill, to sit down for a bit, and hopefully they'll us a table that's close to the actual place. I did want to talk about how freaking good our breakfast was. That was insane. Just set the scene for the whole trip, honestly. We were given the option to have chicken pho, beef pho, and then a whole bunch of like different types of eggs. We opted for the omelet. So good. Gio is navigating, so he has to be switched on. Cars and motorbikes everywhere. Look how close they get to you. The sun is boiling. My skin is just feels like there's sweat everywhere and I'm just super sticky. But we're pretty close to the train street. It should just be along this.
Let's go all the way to the end and go back.
Hello, so we are now at the train street. So I don't know which cafe we want to actually sit down on. Got a coconut coffee. Super cute. Everyone's just taking pictures like that. We're all waiting for the train. We just saw the train pass through and it was so surreal, guys. It was actually so close to us.
Cool.
It was insane. Yeah. Yeah, now let's get some lunch. Absolutely bussin'. That was so good.
Yeah, it was good.
Come out. The mama umbrella, come out. Whoa, guys. Our second lunch. These are rice rolls. We've got mushroom inside. We've got some limes put into the fish sauce, and also kumquat tea. This coriander. Coriander. I've been missing out on this whole time. I wonder if they had it in the dark shop. But this doesn't look like coriander.
Some of them are. Some of them are.
Okay guys, after a bit of a rest, our next destination is going to be a foot spa. We're strolling around now. So there's this big lake and what we're doing is we're just circling around it, and by the end of it, on the other side, there'll be the French Quarter. It's kind of giving Singapore. So beautiful. So beautiful. So these must be the roads that they've closed throughout the weekend. So we're gonna head out to 4Ps, which I'm so excited for. I've changed into like my third fit of the day. Tomorrow is also our last day, technically, in Hanoi before we go to a new city. We're gonna go to Sapa. So tomorrow we're gonna go check it out 12. We have a few places we want to go to, and then it's overnight Sapa sleeper train time.
Yep, and the overnight Sapa sleeper train starts at like something like late. Yeah.
Yeah. This is so like Singapore. We're at Four Ps and we're so lucky because after us, there was this other couple or family that wanted to go and they basically said like, oh sorry, we're fully booked.
It's actually good.
Oh, got the gun. Yeah.
But
When he came, he was like, ah, this is gonna be bad. Four Ps never misses. We ended up going for like a crab imitation type pasta. So it's crab pasta without the crab.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
it's amazing.
I'm eating, I look over to him and I'm like, so we have to come back here again, right? And he's like, yep,
We are booking it.
already wanting to book in the next time. We just finished and we definitely want to go back.
Tomorrow. 5 p.m. I already booked it.
We did?
Yeah.
Always makes me feel tired when I shop but don't buy anything. They had some really cute shoes and better shoes, but I feel discriminated. They only have, most of the shoe styles, they only have size 35 to 36. Like, what? So we found a supermarket. I got coffee. No.
No, fuck, no, 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 no. What the fuck? No, no, no.
When we went to the supermarket, I got my dad some coffee and Gio found some mango and it's so good, guys. It's like Indo mango. Super orange, super sweet, super nice.
Good.
Super good. Also got Santa Block. See you tomorrow. Breakfast situation. He's starting off with a toast. I'm starting off with fruits and veggies because I'm in need. I'm this desperate. No soup for Gio today.
2 seconds later.
The man has caved. Got a beef version. Okay, so we're at the prison, we got the tickets, and we got a, what is this, a relic book?
guide.
A
Yeah.
guide, okay.
Oh, it's a story guide. Amazing.
Viet coffee of the trip. Guys, look how cute and tiny this is. Like 10. But is it good? It was
Sure.
$40 for each.
Okay.
40K. Oh, it's good. Joe got an egg coffee. Is it better than yesterday's?
This is ice, so it's completely different taste-wise. You gotta
Very
drink.
thick.
You gotta drink the pop as well.
All I'm getting is the cream. I'm basically wearing this dress for the second time only, by the way, guys. But I keep taking pictures of it, and she's just like, people are gonna think this is all like a one-day trip because you keep wearing the same outfit. But it's true, girl problems. Thank you. Pretty good. How's yours? Oh, you got double coffee. Oh. There's not a lot of bubble tea places here, but a lot of coffee spots. I guess check this out. Uniqlo. They have like cute seating spots. It's really... The simple man. Yeah. Natural laxative. I wish I could buy this for your little sisters.
This is natural laxative as well. But you're good.
That's Plan Z. Alcohol. Back at 4P's, Gio is watching this basketball game and the waiter comes around to give us water and he's like, oh, you're watching the NBA. The Warriors are gonna win, the Warriors are gonna win. Our dishes are here. We got a creamy carbonara this time. Yeah?
No, I was like, oh, I'm not that hungry. What if I don't feel hungry? But now I'm so hungry. They have this bomb chili oil.
Yes. First bite, bestie.
Cool.
So good? We're back in Old Quarter. We're just strolling around, killing time. Because turns out we're actually really close to the Sapa train station. We're like, what, 11 minutes?
11 minutes away.
11 minutes away.
Bye.
And Gio's going into shops because he wants to buy a Patagonia bucket hat. And he said, I got a cat.
Yeah, I don't think I can get one.
A barter for you. I'm pretty good at it.
No, because it's too small.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye. Crepe. Found crepe. Oh my gosh.
Story time.
Story time. So basically, we were looking at the different options, and there's a chocolate banana, and I was like, oh, okay, I want this one, thinking that chocolate is Nutella. So I asked how much it is, and she said it's 40K, and we're like, oh, okay. And then Joe was like, wait, no, you should get the Nutella banana. Tell the rest of the story.
Oh yeah, and then I asked how much it was. I thought it would be different, right? Because it's a banana. And then the lady said 40K. When she was making, her friend was like
yapping
in Vietnamese.
And saying like
Nutella. We're pretty sure she's just scolding her friend. You know, Nutella's more expensive. You shouldn't have Nutella. Sorry, and
all's well that ends well, because we got a 40K.
40K.
Packed up, changed, and we're on the way to the train station. Bye. See you guys in the next vlog.